Hazrat Iyad bin Himar Mujashei radiyallahu anhu states that one day Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam said in his sermon, "Hearken, my Lord Jalla Jalaluhu has commanded me that I should teach you what you do not know, and Allah Jalla Jalaluhu has taught me today." Allah Jalla Jalaluhu said, "The wealth which I have bestowed on my bondsmen is lawful. I created my bondsmen as they all eschewed what was wrong. Undoubtedly, Satan visited them and turned them away from their religion, and made lawful what were unlawful for them, and commanded them to associate partnership with me, whereas I did not send down any certificate for it. Undoubtedly, Allah Jalla Jalaluhu looked at the people of the world and got displeased with all Arabs and the non-Arabs, save some remaining people from the people of the book. And Allah Jalla Jalaluhu said, I have sent you in order to put you to a test and put others to test through you. I have sent a book to you whom water cannot wash away. You will recite it while being asleep and awake. Undoubtedly, Allah Jalla Jalaluhu commanded me to destroy the Quraysh. I submitted, O my Lord Jalla Jalaluhu, they will split my herd open and smash it. Allah Jalla Jalaluhu whereupon said, expel them as they turned you out. You should fight against them and we will support you. You should expand, you will be conferred upon. You should dispatch an army, we will dispatch an army 5 times greater than that, accompanied with your obedient followers. Fight against those who disobey you. And Allah Jalla Jalaluhu further said, 3 types of people are paradise bound: a just ruler who has been endowed with power to do good and who gives alms, a compassionate person who is kind-hearted to all of his kinsfolk and all other Muslims, a chaste one who despite having a large family to support does not beg for thanks. He Jalla Jalaluhu said, and 5 types of people are hell-bound: those weak people who are devoid of intellect, those who are your subordinate but they exert themselves neither for their family nor for property, a dishonest whose avarice is not hidden, who resort to cheating regarding even petty things, a cheat who betrays you mornings and evenings regarding your family and your property. And Allah Jalla Jalaluhu mentioned a miser or a liar and an immoral and foul-mouthed person. Abu Ghassan did not mention in his narration, you should expend and you will be spent upon. Sahih Muslim Hadees number 7136.